So here is the zipper I'm going to use today. This is a 60cm zip. So this is a detachable zip and it happens to have 2 zipper pulls on it, the same one you'd find in a hoodie or a zip-up. So first things first, we measure the length of a zip from the top stops through to the bottom stops. It is not the tape length. To make our zipper shorter, you will find that a flat top screwdriver will be handy. You'll need a way of marking your zip tape, and here I have chalk, and I also have a pair of long nose pliers, and this is for helping me pull the stops off and also for crimping them back on again. So I know I want to reduce this by 5 centimeters, 2 inches. So what I'm going to do is open my zipper tape up so that my zipper pull isn't in the way, and take a tape measure, measure down and mark where you want the new top of the tape to be. And do that on both sides. For most zippers, there's 1 inch or 2.5 centimeters of tape above the top stop, so I'm also going to mark that into position and do that on both sides. And you'll see the reason for that in a minute. So the first thing is we are going to remove this top stop because we want to be able to use it again later. So this is just a matter of taking your flatbed screwdriver and leveraging that underneath that stop and opening it out. Ideally you want to be able to use those again, so pop them away somewhere safe. If you can, reuse them. Mine's broken, don't worry about it too much if you have broken them. Now we've got the top stops off, we need to remove the teeth. There's no point removing the teeth above the top tape because that's going to be removed like this. You could just cut that off. It's pretty much a waste of time removing those because we're taking them off anyway. But sometimes what can be really handy is to count down how many teeth you've taken off. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To make sure you take off the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now when I remove these teeth, I want to remove the same on both sides. And this is pretty much a matter of brute force. You're going to need to take your pliers and pull them off or lever them off, and your tape will get a bit messy. Okay, so I've taken off 10 on that side, and there's my stop, so now I'm going to take 10 off on the other side. Okay, so I've taken 10 off on both sides, so this should be even now at the top. If you have still got your zipper stops at the top, go ahead and pop them back in again. If you haven't, don't worry about it too much. So there we have it, your zip is now shorter to your desired length. Just make sure you don't pull this all the way up and off the top when you're separating this to insert it into your garment.